In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Calendly link into your email signature. This handy tip will help you streamline the process of scheduling meetings and make it easier for others to find a time that works best for both parties. Now let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, you'll easily spot all your active events listed in front of you. It's important because each active event will have a unique link that others can use to schedule meetings with you. So, make note of the specific event you want to share. Next, you'll want to click on Copy Link associated with your desired event. This action will copy the event's unique URL to your clipboard, making it ready to be inserted into your email signature. With that link copied, the next step is to open your email account. If you're a user of any popular email service provider, the steps to modify your email signature are generally similar. For our example, let's pretend we're drafting a new email. As the email window opens, you'll notice your existing email signature automatically appears. This is the section we'll be editing to include your Calendly link. Now, simply paste the copied Calendly event link into your signature, ensuring it fits naturally amongst your existing details like your name, phone number, or any other information you typically include. You can opt to hyperlink phrases such as schedule a meeting or just paste the direct URL itself, depending on your preference for clarity and readability. Hyperlinking a phrase might make your signature look neater and more professional. Once you've done this, your email signature is now fortified with a quick and easy scheduling tool via your Calendly link. The added benefit is the elimination of back-and-forth emails trying to find a suitable time for everyone involved. All that's left to do is hit send whenever you're ready to draft or reply to an email, and recipients will automatically have access to your calendar, facilitating efficient and effortless scheduling. There you have it, folks. You've now successfully added your Calendly event link to your email signature. This small addition can make a big difference in managing your time and meetings more effectively. Remember, incorporating tools like Calendly reflects that you value both productivity and the time of those you communicate with. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.